she reading a book now? Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D be. Correct answer is A is. I to school every day. Option A, go. Option B goes. Option C, gone. Option D, going. Correct answer is A, go. They playing football yesterday. Option A was. Option B were. Option C are. Option D be. Correct answer is B were. The sun in the east. Option A rise. Option B rises. Option C rose. Option D risen. Correct answer is B rises. We dinner at 8 p.m. last night. Option A eat. Option B eats. Option C ate. Option D eaten. Correct answer is C, 8. He, a car very fast. Option A, drive. Option B, drives. Option C, driving. Option D, drove. Correct answer is B, drives. I have my homework. Option A, do. Option B, did. Option C, done. Option D, doing. Correct answer is C, done. There is a dog in the park. Option A is. Option B are. Option C were. Option D been. Correct answer is A is. She to the market tomorrow. Option A, go. Option B went. Option C going. Option D will go. Correct answer is D will go. The baby is. Option A, cry. Option B, cries. Option C, crying. Option D, cried. Correct answer is C, crying. He, his keys yesterday. Option A, lose. Option B, lost. Option C, loses. Option D, losing. Correct answer is B, lost. My father, tea in the morning. Option A, drink. Option B, drinks. Option C, drank. Option D, drunk. Correct answer is B, drinks. They in the park now. Option A, are walking. Option B is walking. Option C, were walking. Option D, walked. Correct answer is A, are walking. I, a letter last week. Option A, write. Option B, wrote. Option C, writes. Option D, written. Correct answer is B, wrote. She very happy today. Option A, look. Option B, looks. Option C, looked. Option D, looking. Correct answer is B, looks. He English fluently. Option A, speak. Option B, speaks. Option C, spoke. Option D, spoken. Correct answer is B, speaks. I to music every evening. Option A, listen. Option B, listens. Option C, listened. Option D, listening. Correct answer is A, listen. There are 5 books on the table. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D been. Correct answer is B are. She her phone yesterday. Option A break. Option B breaks. Option C broke. Option D broken. Correct answer is C, walked. We are exams next week. Option A has. Option B have. Option C had. Option D having. Correct answer is B have. He to school when he was a child. Option A walk. Option B walks. Option C walked. Option D walking. Correct answer is C, walked. I this book before. Option A, read. Option B, reads. Option C, reading. Option D, have read. Correct answer is D, have read. She me yesterday. Option A, call. Option B, called. Option C, calling. Option D, calls. Correct answer is B, called. He a bicycle last year. Option A, buy. Option B, buys. Option C, bought. Option D, buying. Correct answer is C, bought. I in India. Option A, live. Option B, lives. Option C, lived. Option D, living. Correct answer is A, live. The cat under the table. Option A, sit. Option B, sits. Option C, sat. Option D, sitting. Correct answer is B, sits. She a beautiful dress yesterday. Option A, wear. Option B, wears. Option C, wore. Option D, wearing. Correct answer is C, war. We English every day. Option A, learn. Option B, learns. Option C, learned. Option D, learning. Correct answer is A, learn.